What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Workout Wednesday. So today we're going over a little bit of my morning routine, kind of the things I do to get the day going. That's going to be like some balance stuff, some stuff on the roller. But I just want to make an announcement real quick as far as the giveaway, the basketball giveaway by the signed basketball by the whole team. I'm moving that back to the 25th. The basketball I ordered is for some reason on back order. I have no idea why. Hopefully I can get a refund. I honestly I got an email. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to try to get it in. But I'm going to move it back, honestly, I think to maybe the 23rd, maybe the 25th, somewhere around there. And hey, I mean, that'll give, if you're watching this, subscribe. You're automatically entered into the giveaway. But that'll give maybe some other people a chance of, winning it. And also, I can't do anything about it. I'm waiting for it to come in the mail, and then I'm gonna have the whole team sign it. And I will be putting out a video where I will show you guys the ball so you guys can get an idea of, me or what you'll be getting when you do win. But I apologize for the delay, but there's not really much I can do about it. But hey, thanks for coming back. Like I said, like, subscribe. I know you probably hear that a lot on YouTube, but it really matters with the algorithm, and it matters to me. I'm working hard. I'm trying to put these out for you guys. So let me know what you want to see in the comments. Read all the comments or respond, but let's get to it. All right, so for those of you that watch my, I think it was Workout Wednesday or 5. Either way, I was doing some balance stuff with Damon, who's the head trainer for the basketball team. But this, I have it's a fitness gear little balance ball right here. The bottom of it, real grippy. So I do this every morning, and just do a couple of different exercises that really kind of strengthen the ankle, strengthen the core, things like that. So for the first one, all I'm doing is literally just standing on this ball with one foot for 5 minutes. So as long as you can, I usually stay up, and then I'll change like how much I bend my knee and how much I like stand up like this, and then I'll put like one leg out, things like that, and then switch it up. So 5 minutes each leg. Obviously if you're gonna fall, especially if you're first starting. So I just try to tap my toe. So if I'm up like this and I start to fall, I'll just tap my toe, and then come back up. All right, on to the next. All right, so on to the next one. So for this one, you're balancing on one leg once again, and you're gonna come and you're gonna bend over, you're gonna bend your knee, put your other leg straight, and bend over and put your arm straight out, and keep your head up, right? So one key is to keep your head up. It really makes you tighten your core up and get those arms straight. Throw that leg back and come up. All right, so from here, I'll go, get on balance. Go here, down, and then back up. And I'll do 10 each leg. And last one is I'm on one leg, and I just come out and I sit down, and I bring my off leg in front of me, and I sit into it, and I come back up. Sit into it, come back up. Now, it might vary for you how far you can go down, but this is a great workout for the quads, for the hips, for your core, and really stabilize the ankles. And even if you don't play a sport, it'll give you better balance just in everyday life. Maybe you don't slip and fall sometime. So definitely give it a shot. All right, now we're onto the roller. All right, we are now on the floor. We got our roller right here. So this is just, again, fitness gear. I think I bought it off Amazon for like 15, 20 bucks. This thing will change your life if you do not have one. It is extremely painful when you first start doing it, but it really will. It'll really open up. You can open up any part of your body, really. Like I use it on my IT bands a lot. It really helps with those if you have tight IT bands, which I know a lot of people do, especially if you're sitting all day. If you're sitting all day, this is a really good thing for you. Just to do this in the morning, it'll really open your body up. You can do it at night, especially if you work in an office. You're sitting on the couch doing homework all day, something like that, then this is really something for you. So usually I just start kind of going back and forth on my hips, just rolling back and forth. And then when I really want to get deep into my hips, so I'm trying to get like right in there on the outside. So I'll put this leg over and I'll lean into it and I'll roll like this. So usually I'll do this for, 3 to 5 minutes each side, like that. So then I'll switch, roll like that. All right, so for the next one, I'm doing hamstrings. So back up so you can see a little bit. Keep one leg bent, I'll switch it up. Keep one leg bent and the other straight. I pull my toes towards my face. So I put my toes up and I keep my legs straight and I roll into it. So what I found is whenever you keep your toes really straight, it helps you get that upper hamstring, which can be a more difficult place to get into stretch, right? So once again, you're here and then I'll lean forwards, put more weight on that area. You can lean back, roll all the way down to the knee. And if I can stay in frame, you guys can probably learn pretty well. For the last one, we got IT bands, which are by far the worst. So I turn sideways like this. I still got one leg bent, right? And then I'm just rolling those IT bands out. I'll usually do it in 2 parts. So I'll do the upper part of the IT band to the hip area, like that. And then, like I said, 3 to 5 minutes, each individual thing. And then I pull all the way down and I go towards that knee. And I'll roll it almost all the way to the knee. Sometimes like all the way there. And that's it. All right, y'all, so that was kind of a little bit of my morning routine, how I get my day going, how I, loosen up the joints, loosen up the muscles. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Try it out yourself. It really does make a difference. Ever since I started doing it, I see a big difference in just how I feel throughout the day. Hey, you're already on YouTube, so take what I just gave you and go look up some other stuff on YouTube. There's just some great people out there that really know what they're talking about, really know what they're doing. They can show you some great things. But once again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, giveaway, 23rd to 25th. If you're subscribed, you're automatically entered. So if you're not, subscribe. It's worth it, trust me. The ball is gonna be really cool. Anyway, like usual, have a good one, everybody. Well, one key thing, like usual, once again,